Hi guys, we're here in Jacksonville, North Carolina, and we're speaking with a recent Gator customer, Mr. Ed Dutcher. So excited to be here. We see that you have a newly installed Gator Metal Roof. What color is your roof?
Ash gray.
And it looks really good, goes very well with your home.
Thank you.
What made you choose that color?
My wife wanted that color. I wanted a darker gray. And we ended up going with the lighter gray.
Sounds good. So, Mr. Dutcher, how was your experience working with Gator Metal Roofing?
Excellent. Outstanding, noteworthy, whatever you want to say. My wife and I, we had many questions, and he answered them all with no problem. He was very patient, showed us everything. We were greatly impressed.
So, how did you find Gator Metal Roofing?
Our shingle roof was 15 years old, and with the heat down here and the possibilities of storms coming rolling in, it was time for us to put on another roof. We talked about it, we saved about it, and once I saw the commercial from Gator, I said, they're the ones. They're the ones I want to go with. But what I enjoyed the most, and I chuckled when I heard it, is the spokesperson during the commercial when he says, get off your asphalt and call Gator Metal Roofing.
Yeah.
To me, it showed life, it showed pep, it wasn't drab. To me, it was motivating.
Yes. Were you also able to secure good financing or low monthly payments for your Gator roof?
Yes, I was amazed at how low they were, and I was really amazed at the price of the roof. I expected twice as much than what we had to pay.
Wow.
I did. And when he came out and says, this is it, I almost fell out of the recliner. I mean, I was shocked and amazed at the same time.
Well, we're happy to hear that, and we're so happy that you were satisfied with your experience working with Gator Metal Roofing. Thanks for going green with the Gator.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right.